The daily time frame is by far the simplest and easiest place that you can begin to look at actioning things on here. And the reason why that is the case is just simply using the RSI. And you can see all the way through this area here, the RSI has struggled to break above this 50 level. And this has been the case for nearly 3 months now. So for nearly 3 months, trapped beneath the 50 level and struggling to make any sort of meaningful move above that level. If that situation changes, it becomes the simplest, cleanest, and easiest long signal that we've had over the last 3 months, because something is different in the markets. And whenever we get a situation in which something is different, we have to take action on it. The last time that we saw this was actually the breakout of this 8-month consolidation region through here, where we started to see the RSI extending and pushing away from areas and into areas that it hadn't done throughout that 8-month consolidation. So we started to see that change in momentum, that change in character in the market quite early on, and that enabled us to position in order to take advantage of the move to 100K. Now, this area here, I think, will be very similar. The thing when we're operating with the trend, and the simplest, cleanest way to look at things is to say to yourself, well, this time probably isn't different, so therefore I would expect a rejection here. But if we do not get a rejection here, then I'm looking at taking the long side into this, being the fact that it's the first time it's happened in 3 months. And that in the trending markets is the cleanest way of looking at things. Always anticipate, regardless of what we're thinking about what would be nice to happen to the markets, always anticipate that the markets will remain exactly in line with that trend. And so that we will not see any clearance or upwards momentum here, and we'll see continuation to the downside. And if that situation does not happen, we do indeed get the upside push, then we tail on the back of that and we move into that in line with it.